Okay, I want to show you Mrs. Home Improvement number 2. So the sink was not draining. This is in the bathroom. I watched a video on how to unclog it. So I did all this fancy stuff under the cupboard, and I undid this and that, and I didn't even have any water leak. Then I popped out the stopper and I put down a coat hanger. And this is what came out, which is really, really gross, right? But watch this. Look at that, down she goes. Woohoo! And no water is leaking from here. So I'm guessing I put everything back in the right place.